Hi everyone, good morning. And we are here in Roxas City, Capiz. We arrived yesterday around late afternoon, and today is the baptism of my nephew. Okay, I'm gonna tour you around.
Favorite dish in their breakfast menu is the crispy shrimp. Um, what else? They also have this pandesal with malunggay. It's a must try if you are going to have breakfast in Espacio Verde. It's Josh's first time to eat watermelon, and he really likes it.
Josh, ready to swim? I'm going to the pool. My kids are already at the pool, and it's a very nice place here in Espacio Verde. I don't know if it's a 4-star or 5-star, but for me it's a 4-star hotel. Look at that. Morning.
I think they have to improve in their breakfast selection.
Kids are already here. Let me see where they are. There. Oh, they're already there. Look at this view, guys.
The baptism was held at St. Vincent Ferrer Church in Cagay. I really love the church. It's beautiful. Um, that's all for today, guys. So this is the part one of our day two activities. I'll be sharing the part two tomorrow. So please stay tuned in. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye for now.